Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. But now let me show you how to make a Facebook page. So the first thing you do is you go to your homepage by clicking this house icon on the top. Then you go to the menu by clicking these 9 dots on the top right corner. Then under the create menu, you're gonna choose page. Here you need to fill out your relevant information. First of all, you have to give your page name. Most people will use their business names because it makes it easier for people to find the business in question. Then you have to choose a category which best describes your business. In the description, you're gonna have to tell people about what you do. You have to make sure the description is brief and clear, but at the same time it contains the essential information about what you do, what products and services you offer. Then you just have to click create page and you are ready. So all in all, this is how you create a Facebook business page. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.